Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. From a technical analysis perspective, looking at the chart, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So, Palantir was in the news a lot. There is this news about having a partnership with Wejo, a data company that seem to have a lot of data about cars, so maybe they want to do something with Palantir. And I heard something about Microsoft, so there's a lot of things, and sometimes these news or these rumors find their way in the stock, and sometimes they don't. So far we don't see any effect in the stock. We closed down 75 cents at 26.63. That's down 2.74. Post-market, we are still down 9 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. You cannot tell what is happening to a stock. You cannot tell much when you only look at the change and the close. Oh, it fell down 2% or 3% or 5%. Yeah, well, maybe the day before it was up 15%. Oh, so context is everything. This is why looking at a chart is fantastic. So basically yesterday we had a great day. Yesterday we broke outside of 27, above 27, and look at this. You know, I am not making this up. Yesterday we closed right smack on the resistance, the double resistance that we have. We closed right smack on it. This is technical analysis, you guys. It's almost magic when it works well. So and today we opened exactly at the same place. So we opened at 27.38. We opened exactly there, but basically we went down during the whole day and closed below 27. Are we sad? No, I think it was to be expected. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up days. So the stock needs to take a breather. So it is taking a breather right now. So in terms of a breather, it can go down to 25.40, which is another significant resistance. So let me make 25.40 a little bit more visible, because I think this is going to be a resistance that we might need to be thinking about. I wish we were only thinking about 27 bucks as a resistance, but no. It seems like we need to start thinking about 25.40. It does not mean that we are going to go down to 25.40. There's this double support also. This double support that we need to think about. Did I say resistance? I mean support. I do this to test you guys if you catch me. If you catch me, it means that you understand what I'm saying. If you don't catch me, then I'm confusing you, and this is not good. So basically 25.40 is a major support. I hope we are never going to go back there ever. I think more significantly we have these two diagonal support lines. So basically the stock can go back to I would say $26. If it goes back to $26 in the next couple of days, that's not too bad. If it goes back to $26 in 1 or 2 weeks, then it would mean that we are breaking this support and getting out of the channel. So basically, the stock is in this nice channel and we want it to stay in the channel. Yesterday we bounced on the outer resistance of the channel, so the next thing that should be happening is that we are going to bounce on one of the two supports as part of the channel, and then the stock will just recover. So we should not panic. Don't panic. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand or see something else that happened during the day. It sometimes happens. So as I mentioned, we opened We opened at 27.40 or 38, and then we went down basically to 26, I would say 26.55. And see, there's a lot of things that are happening at 26.55. So I would say that 26.55 is an intraday support. 26.55. I'm just going to put something here for fun. It doesn't cost anything to put one extra line. We only put the lines that we think are going to help us. So 26.55 is an interesting support. And look at this. The stock came down, sat basically on 26.55, and then started going up. And also during the next to last hour, went and tested again 26.55. It tested it again and then went sideways. So 26.55, I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to play with the visibility of this support line and only keep it for the hour chart. Let's go to the daily chart to see how this has affected our beloved indicators. Stochastic is down a little bit, 83. Still above 80 is very healthy, is very bullish. MACD changed a little bit, but we still have our 2 thumbs up, and the DMI is still very bullish. So just a little bump in the road. It happens everywhere. It happens all the time. It's just normal. So let's just keep riding this pony. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and Palantir video every weekday and a recap video on Sunday. Thank you for liking, commenting, Discording, Patreoning, and trading viewing with my affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.